Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Deriv account to MT5. So here we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to get MT5 login details. So in your Deriv Traders Hub, you have to find your existing MT5 account, like for example, the synthetic or financial. And then just tap on the transfer or details to view the key info. So just take note that you need the login ID, the password, and the broker or the server name with this. So next one is to open the MT5 mobile application. So from there, you just have to go to the menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines, and then select the manage accounts. So next is to search for the broker. So you just have to type in Deriv in the search bar. So tap on the plus icon or the search bar at the top right and type in Deriv. Then just select the correct entity, or like for example, Deriv or the V, LTD, or the Deriv BVI or LTD. Next one is to log in to your account. So enter the login ID and password that you obtain in the step 1, and then you just have to ensure that the server field matches your Deriv account type, like for example, Deriv server or Deriv demo. And lastly is to finalize and trade. So just tap in the login button and you will be synced there. So once successful, your Deriv balance will appear in the MT5 trade tab and you can begin trading from there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!